How many of you have been frustrated sitting in traffic and waiting for the light to turn green? I know I have, and that's why I set out to solve this widespread problem. Traffic Genius combines machine learning with traffic automation. Last year, over $87 billion was lost due to traffic congestion. A big part of this problem is inefficient traffic lights, which caused over 300 million hours lost for US drivers last year alone. Current systems fail to maximize the abilities of streetlights to channel traffic efficiently through cities. We aim to tackle this problem in a revolutionary way. Traffic Genius uses machine learning and predictive analysis to help time intersections precisely, to pump traffic through cities at an efficient rate during peak hours. Current systems that are out there typically work on a timer and are updated only every 3 to 5 years. Newer systems operate on a 15-minute timer and update every 15 minutes, but they can cost about $65,000 per year per intersection to maintain. So obviously this isn't really a reasonable solution, and that's why only 1% of current traffic stops use these signals. We aim to be both cost-effective and very efficient. We aim to achieve this by integrating with existing systems with our software solution and integrate with their existing infrastructure, sensors, and control hubs. Traffic Genius is poised to be leaders in an industry that's on the verge of a technical transformation. Thank you.